So if an immigration case been stuck for months, this new court decision could change everything. A federal judge just ordered USCIS to move back some case again, people. So them say start process back some immigrant case again, viewers and subscribers, and this is some good news. You see me I say, and this kind of crazy road one part people, remember me tell you that whole heap of good things are coming. So we have the information of people where whole heap of people don't know. So apparently today a federal judge, you feel me I say, rule that USCIS is supposed to drop a ruling said, yo, what Trump then do by blocking this 39 country, ban them and all these things, they must stop that. They want them to start process back immigrant visa. So people all around who have the family, the uncle, grandaunt with it stuck and say, yo, nothing now move right now. Yeah, some things are going to move. Some want to share up the video to them and make them know. Because my channel, we are bringing update them phone now. You see me? Because I don't want to come over here and say, oh, yeah, every time I just deport people, I get deported and I drop good things them. See good things them, yeah. You see me, I say, oh, the summer are going to be happy. Let me tell you what I go on right now. A U.S. federal judge ruled today that USCIS cannot keep freezing immigration case for people from 39 countries that were affected by Trump era restriction. The judge said USCIS act unlawfully by putting many cases in limbo for months. The judge get mad. The judge that say, yo, let me tell you this, man. You see me, I say, my grand picking them, my immigrant, and my friend. You see me, I say, I want to get up back and start process some case right now. Shove out back some green card. How much people spend their money? How much people spend? But I jump on one big thinking about, you know. Because if people don't spend up how much money per process, some people just creep up to find the money file the case and file the immigration case and all them things. The people, them spouse are their house in a different country and some style people, and them have to work hard. How much in money them have to spend to get up? Because remember, you know, them try help their husband or their wife, and their husband probably in some country where they can't get the fund. So right now, them a sponsor them, so them a try to organize for everything. And me spend so much money to organize my people, them to come to a foreign country and you just get up one time, you like when Trump guy barber and then give him a bad haircut to bombard, he just come out and say, all right, listen, we are going to drop this rule, we are going to do this. You know, say a Trump barber will fire. We forget to eat a Trump barber, man. He must cause all these things. You see me, I tell you what this mean now. Some immigration case may start moving again. Green card, work permit, citizenship, asylum related case that were on all. You hear me say? Some immigration case will start moving again. Good news. Somebody jump up and say good news. Say this is a good news. You don't know, see, so you can't get to the green card again. For all who want to run off in America, want to run go America and get the American dream, and all who did want to get the experience without run off, to be exact. You know, you sit down and wait for your case and all these things. So that means, say, Jesus Christ, a more immigration story to be again. Jesus, peace. Yeah, boy. Anyway, this is a good news. Share it up. Run go tell your friend and you tell your family, them people. Because you see me, I tell you, say, yo, have a thing them phone up. USCIS has been ordered to continue processing instead of leaving case frozen. You see me, I say, you can't just do that. This does not automatically mean the visa ban is completely gone yet. The government could still appeal the ruling or issue new guidance. The big question for Jamaica was reportedly one of the countries affected by the processing pause earlier this year. This ruling could help Jamaicans whose cases were stuck. But we still need to wait for official USCIS confirmation on exactly how fast processing resume and who qualify. The VBS people, so what you mean? Jamaica, we are feeling it back. You see me, I say, so we green card go start process back again. We don't see what I want. You get to me, I say, the judge take them thing, man. You just get up off of your bed one morning and just decide, looking at a mirror. Yo, me not love how the barber cut me here today, you know. You see me, I say, me I go switch up some things. You feel me, people? So, man, they decide, say, yo, right now, they must shut down 39 country. So, a judge today say, yo, you don't hear what me say? Everything I go start move back again. Citizenship, asylum case, work permit, and green card. You get to me, I say? Everything back again. Citizenship, everything back in order again. You get to me, I say, people, and these things are breaking news. Nobody else have their news that. Remember, me I break that thing over here so for to see what I want. I want Spotitdon TV can get some people. Remember, we are talking about immigration status and all them things there, people. So we don't want the people that feel like say we not bringing good news for no. You see me, I say good news. Watch out. Somebody there behind this, you know. Somebody there behind this curtain. I wonder if it's a ghost or some spouse in the house. Like we see how. Look there. Somebody there behind it. Tell them. Me I hear it nice. You see me I say, but anyway, film green card done process already, my citizen. Yeah. So right now, people, congratulations to everybody who have them green card. You see me I say, case frozen, was on pause. No one can wake up tomorrow and get up tomorrow with this wonderful news. Have a chance again. But remember, you know, people, we still have to pray because the fact is, we don't know what government is. Them can go appeal and all them thing there. You see me I say, them can carry go appeal and so style. But if you know, the judge tell them say, them have to start, resume back, green card, work permit, asylum, and all these things. You see me I say, people, so them are going to start do all of them cases back again. And people are going to surely get back them papers. You feel me I say, because people, me know say, yo, a lot of people, you know, a lot of people stress out over these people. A lot of people case was this close. A lot of people was this close to obtain their green card, people. They probably was on the final string. Just waiting to go, if you're in Jamaica or whatever country it is, it was just waiting to go to the embassy to get your case. Call up and all these things, people. A lot of people was in distress with when Trump come and shut down all of this. So see them now. You feel me? I said a federal judge pass the ruling today and tell them, say, yo, watch you know. Start this. You see me? So them start the ruling there today. But see him today again, Mr. Donald Trump also get approval for like $70 billion for immigration funding. You feel me? So him get approval there for $17 billion. So him get good news today. Because guess what now? With him get approval there for the $70 billion people. You know what go on? Him go tight that for immigration funding, you know, so him go start put out back some crazy thing again. You see me I say, so like what go on with all these things, you see like now them go start process back immigrant case again. Them go start do some things where basically now people, them are try lock up people for everything right now. So you go for your immigration interview now and your signature come. You hear them talk about something with the signature now, you know. You feel me? I said them talk about signature now. If your signature not right, them are going to deny your case right there. So them don't want to see a right signature. Or if you print your signature, you better make sure say it correct. You feel me? I say, so them are going to start all of that right now, people. A whole heap of people still might go in for the immigration case and they might find some little thing and say, yo, watch out now, we are denying you, you know, because right now, we don't feel say your case qualify for your green card. You get to me? I say, people, so nobody feel like say, yo, you know, see this. So once one door open, one next one always close, or once one close, one next one always open. So we have to look at it like that. Once there's good, there's bad. Something wrong, there are ways. They in our way, people, you see me? So we want to break through this now where we can go our part and just get relaxed and just know, say, yo, we're done with all of this. We get the papers, everything up and running. You see me? I say green card start run again. You feel me? I say people, because a lot of people years and the people them over there now, once they fly up this thing, I know people, remember, we not hear nothing about it. You have to go back in your country. Figure wait for your paper process. You get me I say? So remember them still have them thing they are going. So nobody chew on a year say alright. Cause now them are gonna send back people in country forget their green card passes. Cause I guess I know a whole heap of people are going back right now for them interview and all these things. And when they go in there for the interview now, they start to say yo, oh you overstay, you enter in a country illegal and all them something the people you see me? So now them are gonna tell us say yo watch out for you get organized, continue with your case, you got to go back to your country. You get to me and say people, and that's what gonna be happen to a lot of people right now. Them have to go end up if you go back in a them country, if you go get them thing process people. But as me I say people, this our good news today. You feel me? I say me never did plan for post a next video tonight, yeah. You feel me? I say, but me I say when me see this news and now me know say this are exciting news for me people them forget to see and know what go on because them want to see what go on in this and this is important for them. So people, once you see me bring them type of news people and them type of update here, these type of immigration upgrade for you guys. Because we basically label as the immigration channel. You feel me? I say because we've been telling all these deported series over here, guys. So, you know, people look up to our channel for information and all these things. And by, as you can know by now, we information always more 99% accurate. You get to me? I say people, because we not come over here and sugar code up nothing and try to tell you guys any false information that Tom, Dick and Harry getting arrested over there for leaving his house and there's nothing like that. You feel me? I say anything we bring to you guys is 90% of what the people them, you know, come over here and give us their story. Plus, you know, we have a lot of people, we know a lot of people that get deported back from Jamaica, from America and all these things a lot. You feel me? I say, so I know a lot of people, so, and I used to tell those stories until these people start finding me now and start sending their story, which is a good thing. You get to me? I say, people, so my job is to make sure say all the update that I see around there pertain to the green card situation, because we currently on the green card, we on green card and citizenship thing and travel. You feel me? I say on your green card and all those things. So those are the main updates we want to see, because we have a lot of people over there waiting on the green card. A lot of people right now want to get married, but with the pause of the green card for the past 6 months, you feel me? I say that it kind of set back a lot of things for a lot of people. So now, you feel me? I say they can start get back in a progress again, organize or get married to their spouse and all these things. And people, I'm gonna try to do when I get married this time, I'm gonna try to do real married, you know. You see me? I say fake married thing now work again. We now have to try get some original married now, my friend. You see me? I say real married right now. You get to me? I say so. These are people right so is a big breaking news. You see me? Green card will start to process again in USCIS building. So uno go tell on family and friend them that. You see me? I say go and let them know that the green card system. So a lot of people did they on pause. And you know, a lot of people probably did glad to call them and say, yo, shit, we can hold back the little piece of money and we have to go pay to file this and all. They tell them, say, yo, if you don't spend the money again, because right now everything are back in a power by the mountain. It's supposed to good again. Yeah, feel me? I say people, because right now, you know, once we just want to know how quick now they're gonna start to do this processing back again. Or you feel me? I said, oh, if they still are going to keep off some country are. But the judge say, yo, all the 39 country that was on the ban list, you feel me? I say, that cannot go on. They get to me, I say, so, but you know what them people, then we try file back something again, for block something again, for then, once they block it again, then take it back a court again, because look there, a 6 month that then take, you know, people spend their money for process, do all these things, and a shutdown is a processing for 6 months. You feel me? I say, and if it wasn't for this judge today, there would never be no processing again. You feel me? I say, and a lot of immigration judge them people. You see me? I say, it's a good thing you find some good immigration judge, because you have some of them right now where, you feel me? I say, deny people as they come in front of them face. You feel me? I say, them not give them a chance. Look at this judge now, people, them, this person that was, I think he was in immigration custody and all these things. And I think he went out, I think he from Honduras. I was hearing the story and they went to his apartment and they find him with gunshot wound in dead because he filed for asylum. He filed for asylum. You feel me? I say, and his court date come up for asylum hearing people, and it's like in a show up a court and the judge, the people them, a lawyer go and say, yo, but your honor, this man passed away. You feel me? I say, in dead. And the judge I say, yo, with a this, we still put him in a removal status. We will put him in a removal status. Get him out of the country. We still deport him. So a judge a deport a dead person. This a judge a serious. Yeah, you know, look it up. Look it up in the internet. The judge deport the person back to Honduras and he already dead. Okay, you can imagine that. For sure you all them judge are serious out there. Them that judge were signed with Donald Trump right through. You get to me I say, so them that judge they I go all forever depend on Donald Trump good side. You feel me? I call them a deport all dead people. Them judge are not play around that. So with them immigration system, my friend, brawling chaps the judge deport the man. Yeah. So you see what I go on right there, so people. So I tell you now, just be careful out there. And don't sleep on these immigration system. Just still be vigilant till you sort out yourself. You feel me? I say till you obtain your documents so you can move around free. You see me? Just like when you're on the airplane and the captain say, I take off the seatbelt and the air hostess say, you're not free to move around the cabin. Yeah, you're not free to move around the cabin yet. Just wait till you get some papers or some kind of documents first before, cause if you do not want, unless you want to go back to Jamaica, if you do not want to go back to Jamaica and you love America so much and you know, say, yo, America is your home where you don't, you feel me, you can't go back to your yard right now, just lay low, guys. And please subscribe to the channel, share up the content, tell a friend if you go tell their mother, if that new green card rule, everything up again. You see me, I say, yes. Green cards free up again. And so on style, my friend. So big up on yourself. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm out.